What's good, everybody? So today is Tuesday, December 23rd, 2025. I'm gonna break down this trade in which we had a member make over $1,200 on one single trade this morning. Right, so I'm gonna break down this NAS sell that we caught. So let me clear off this chart. But basically, what we were looking for off of this setup was a sell to the downside here. Right, we noticed that we got a break of this low. And so we're looking for the market to return into the zone in which we see right here. Right after that, after we see a return into the zone, we are then looking at lower time frames from the 5-minute to the 30-minute to see if we can get our reversal confirmations to see if it can push back down and give us a lower push, whether it's a lower low or getting back down to these lows, right? And so we ended up finding our sell position off the 20-minute in which we entered here. Once this candle closed, stop loss a little bit above the reversal pattern high. And as you can see, this thing dropped and gave a 3.24R, right? It hit 3 of my targets. This was my last target, trying to see if it could fill this gap, which it unfortunately didn't. But as you can see from the Discord, 3R hit on the NASDAQ in this sell position, right? And so if we go to the results, you'll see a lot of people made money off of this trade. So we had one person made $296 on one account. We had another person, or same person, make another $150. We had another individual make $243 on that trade. Another person made $196 on 5 accounts, so just short of $1,000 for the day. Then we had 245, 201, 193, and another 193. All right, we keep going. 150, 690, and then the one who held to the 3R, $1,267, right? And so we're literally taking the same setups every single day. If you've watched my previous videos, you'll see I look for the same exact setup every day. And the setup is something where, like I said, you're just waiting for that break, you're waiting for the retest. But the confirmations is what you learn in the Discord group, right? And with the confirmations, it just makes the strategy just 1,000 times better, right? Because you can have the setup, but having the wrong entry, entering too early, or not knowing exactly where to enter can be the issue. But I was able to come up with a strategy in which you are able to consistently hit on these type of trades, right? There's actually another opportunity we could have caught later on US 30. But after this trade, we're pretty much done, especially with it being the holidays. You know, we don't want to be in the market too much until, after New Year's. That's when the market will bring back, some additional life. But solid trade, like I said, 3R opportunity that we got here. And we're just going to keep on posting, all right? Keep on posting wins, keep on posting results, and just keeping this going, especially throughout the next year. But yeah, other than that, that was a quick little overview of how us as a group made a solid trade on NAS this morning. So other than that, I'll see y'all in the next video.